Namaste, Sarangi players. A lot of Sarangi students have been asking about bow angles. So here's a quick discussion of bow angles. So the bow, this is a European bow. There's a traditional bow which is arched, but the strings are always straight. The hair of the bow is straight, and the Sarangi strings are straight up and down. So you want to be exactly at right angles, so it's a cross. That gives you the best possible tone, and if you play at an angle, you get all sorts of sounds you don't want to get. So always keeping your bow straight and even on the strings is really important, and so good luck with that. Get a mirror, sit in front of a mirror, play in front of the mirror, and you'll have that visual way of checking in with your bow angle. Now, when you play middle saw, you're right even with the top of the Sarangi. When you play high paw, you need to angle your bow so you're only hitting the high string, and likewise with low paw, you're only hitting the low string. You actually have to adjust your angle because that's straight across, as you can see, but if you look at it straight on, it kind of looks like it's at a weird angle, but because of the weird angles that you're using, you realize that that's actually straight across on that string. So it's a little confusing, but you'll get really good at it. And if the tone is good, you're doing a good job. Okay, you want to bow right, so a little of the skin is showing. And then just even bowing right in that spot with the strings exactly at right angles with the hair, and you'll get the best sound. Good luck.